Using artificial intelligence to write blog posts can be a highly effective way to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. For instance, an affiliate marketing blog post about the best ultra-wide gaming monitors can be entirely created with AI, producing a well-structured and engaging article that doesn't appear to be AI-generated at all. The recommended tool for this purpose is an AI writer that utilizes GPT-4, capable of producing high-quality, SEO-optimized articles in just minutes. This AI model is specially trained, offering capabilities that would be difficult to replicate individually. To get started, simply click on the provided link to access the website and sign up for a free trial, which allows users to fill in their details and save presets for convenient use later. The AI writer offers various options, including the choice of GPT version, with GPT-4 being only available to paid users, resulting in higher quality and more unique articles. For the free version, GPT 3.5 can be used. Users can select the type of article they want to create, such as a blog post, and enter their target keyword. Additional features include SEO optimization, with options ranging from default to AI-powered, as well as automatic internal linking, available with a professional subscription. The article length and tone of voice can be customized, with options including SEO optimized, excited, professional, and more. Users can also choose their language, country, and point of view, and utilize real-time data to enhance the accuracy of their content. An outline editor, FAQ section, and key takeaways can be included to further enrich the article. Once all settings are configured, the AI writer can generate the article. The cost of using this AI writer is relatively affordable, starting at $9 per month for 15,000 words, with the option to upgrade to higher plans for more words and features. Credit packs are also available for purchase. A notable case study has shown that using this AI writer can lead to significant revenue growth, with one user's blog generating $15,000 in monthly revenue in under a year. Even experienced content creators can benefit from using this AI writer, as it can produce high-quality content more quickly and efficiently, with a free trial offering $5,000 worth of value, and subsequent plans starting at $9 per month. This AI writer is a valuable tool for anyone looking to generate high-quality blog posts using artificial intelligence.